So today I'd like to go through the process of logging into Amatrol. Amatrol is our learning management system for a lot of our instrumentation classes. And it's not very difficult, but there are a few issues that cause students problems. So the first thing we're going to do is open our browser. And typically you want it to be in one of these four browsers. Today we're in Chrome. You type in learnamatrol.com. That's all you need to type in, learnamatrol.com. It'll pop up and bring you to this page. And as you can see, there's some issues that we have right here that we need to deal with. Pop-ups and Flash Player. The quickest way to fix those is to click here. You're going to allow. And then when you click off the screen, see how it says reload? We're going to reload that screen. And then I'm going to open this up, just move this over, and you can see this little block right here. You want to click on that, and you want to allow always, and then click on done. And so now we will move our screen back to its location. And it's pre-filled in my username. So what we'll do is we'll refresh this screen and it should clear all those away. Now once you have 3 green checks, you're going to go in here and type in your username and password that are provided to you by your instructor. Right now I'm going to use FPC user 31, and the password for that is going to be FPC lab, all lowercase, no spaces, 3131 shift exclamation point. All of these are character specific. So if it's lowercase and uppercase with special symbols, make sure you get that correct from your instructor. Next, we're going to click Login. It's going to bring us to our main page. To get into our courses, we're going to go to e-learning courses. As you can see, if you've logged in before, your course will be right here, but I will show you how to find it from the main library. We're going to click on Amatrol Library. We're going to scroll down to Process Control. That opens up all of process control. And so we're going to go down here until we find process control systems with the T552, the wrench. We're going to open that up. Now you can open it up even further. If this is your lesson, let's say, we're going to click that, and this will give you all the segments within that. If the pre-quiz, I'm going to close that, it has not been taken, you cannot click launch because they're grayed out. If it has been taken, simply click launch, and it'll open up the screen for us. If everything is working properly, it should come up. From here, you simply open up, click on first objective, and begin. Now you can mute it and move forward, or you can leave it unmuted and it'll actually read everything to you and it'll go through all these actions. Now I recommend that you track where your progress is, because if you have to stop in the middle, say you don't finish your entire segment 1 in one class or one sitting, you need to remember where you ended, because other people might be using the same login, same courses as you, because we share these logins. So just make sure you're keeping track of where you are in this coursework. I think that's about it. So I will exit out of this. We will close that. And I think that's it. Thank you.